What's up, fam? Today I'm going to be going over how to do a barbell low row.
Alright, and this is the barbell low row. Since on an incline, it's okay for only the balls of your feet to be on the ground, but they should be shoulder length apart. As far as the hand placement goes, they should be underhand and about shoulder length apart. At the top of each rep, the elbows should be bent at a 30-degree angle and driven up towards the hips. And the primary target of this exercise, the latissimus dorsi. Although pulling completely vertical is a variation of the row, it causes a shortened range of motion, which essentially causes a less effective workout. And here's a variation of the barbell low row that causes a greater contraction from the increased range of motion.
Alright, fam, and that's how you do a barbell low row. Until next time.